One of my favorite appetizers is the fried pickle. And in this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a crunchy, breaded fried pickle that you can dip in ranch or just eat by itself. Perfect for a ball game or maybe just to make a meal out of. The first step is to take your pickles, lay them on a paper towel, take you another paper towel and just blot those dry. Try to get them as dry as you can. Now we're going to put those into a large, I used a gallon size resealable bag. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in here, just to lightly coat these. Seal the bag up. And then just shake those around and let the flour lightly coat all those pickles. And I'm just doing a small batch of these just to show you how to do it. Alright, we're going to make our wet batter. Put a cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl. You'll want to add a teaspoon of paprika and a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne. That's it. Not going to really overcomplicate this. You want the taste of the pickle to really stand out. Going to add some buttermilk, and I didn't exactly do an exact measurement. What you want to do is just add a little bit and then stir it and then add some. You want to get this batter to the consistency of a pancake batter. Alright, that's got our wet batter. Now I'm going to take a little bit of fresh dill. I want to just chop this up real fine. About a tablespoon or so full is enough. And then I'm going to put about a cup or so of panko breadcrumbs into another bowl. Add my dill into that. You want to just toss that around or get in there with a fork or with your hand and just kind of mix it up a little bit. That'll be the final coating to go on the pickles before we put them in the oil and fry them. Alright, now you want to take the pickles out of the bag, they're lightly coated with the flour, and put those into your wet batter. And then once you get those coated really good with the batter, you want to put them over into the breadcrumb and the dill mixture and just give them a little coating of that on the outside. Just toss those around in that a little bit and go ahead and put them in some hot canola oil, about 325 degrees. I'm only doing 5 for the purpose of this video, but if you're cooking a lot of them, you want to do them in batches. You just probably want to fry a few at a time. You don't want to cool the oil down too much. You just want to let those fry just for a few minutes. You're not really trying to cook the pickle. The pickle, you want it to have some crunch to it still, or at least I do. But you're looking for the coating or the batter on the outside, the breading rather, just to get nice and brown. These have been cooking just for a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take them out now, and you want to put them on some paper towels and let them drain. Alright, there you have it. That's fried pickles. Now you can serve these with some ranch or whatever dipping sauce that you like. Be sure to subscribe and share this video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you.